Radio Mango 91.9 ഇത് 919 Spotlight. ഞാൻ Manju with John Abraham. ഇനി John is gonna face my rapid fire questions.
Oh, okay.
Rapid fire.
ഏതാണ്ട് 10 വർഷമായി ഇപ്പൊ ജോൺ ഇന്ത്യൻ ഫിലിം ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിലുണ്ട്. സോ ഭയങ്കര റിച്ച് ആയിരിക്കും എന്നുള്ള എക്സ്പെക്ടേഷനിൽ ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കുകയാണ്, കിത്തനെ zeros है आपके बैंक अकाउंट में?
There are only zeros in my bank.
So you're a pauper. Bankrupt, huh?
Yeah, I'm totally bankrupt.
അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ തന്നെ better. At least 4,000 rupees I have, you know. Who is hot without shirt? Salman Khan, John Abraham, Hrithik Roshan?
I think Salman Khan and Hrithik Roshan.
Are you sure? Let's check it out. Can you please?
Shy.
Yeah, you're a shy guy, I know.
I like that guy in Dostana, but I'm a shy guy.
Your muscle competitor in Malayalam?
In Malayalam, I think Prithvi. I think Prithvi's got a great body.
Prithviraj, John Abraham ഒരു competitor ആണ്. Well, മലയാളത്തിലെ 3 heroines.
I can name one. Shobna, and I'm a big fan of hers. I think she's exceptional, and I saw her perform her Bharatnatyam, on stage where she plays Ravana, and I thought she was absolutely fantabulous. So she's the only one I really know. There are a lot of Tamil and Telugu and Kannada actresses that we hear about who come to our film industry there, but I would say Shobna is awesome.
Name 2 Mammootty movies.
Mammootty, there's one new one, Face to Face, I think, which is happening right now, and I see the hoardings. And 2020, those are 2 films. I think Mohanlal did Casanova.
Yeah, exactly.
Casanova. I saw parts of Casanova, and I thought it was different, very interesting.
Wow. ഇനി ഞാൻ ജോൺ എബ്രഹാമിനെ കൊണ്ടൊരു കണ്ണാടി നോക്കിക്കാൻ പോവാണ്. നോക്കൂ കണ്ണാടിയിലേക്ക്. Which part of your face would you like to have a plastic surgery?
Oh, never. That's something that I would never like to alter. I like the lines on my face because it shows experience and it shows what I've been through. I like the imperfect nature of my face, so I enjoy that. I would never want to have a symmetrical, perfect face. A lot of people say that I don't take care of my body because I scar my body all the time. But I like that. I like John Abraham, and I like men in general to be, rough. The best example I can give you internationally is Daniel Craig. That's a rough man. I don't like boys who look sweet all the time.
John Abraham is very fond of motorbikes, right? Motorbike versus girlfriend. Find 2 similarities and 2 differences.
I can tell you one. I think motorcycles are extremely, extremely, extremely beautiful. And so are women. They're the most beautiful species. So women and motorcycles are so beautiful. But then you can't compare both because a bike usually doesn't walk out on you. A motorcycle can break your bones, a woman can break your heart. Remember that.
Radio Mango 91.9, Natilingam Patai.